Welcome. AI Pro Resume helps you create and optimize ATS-friendly resumes and cover letters using AI. AI Pro Resume is an intelligent resume and career document platform designed to help you create, analyze, and optimize resumes and cover letters for modern hiring systems. Built to meet ATS standards. Powered by AI. Designed to get you noticed. Let's start creating a resume. On AI Pro Resume, you can begin as a guest or register for full AI features and maximum functionality. You can create resume in 3 ways. 1. AI Resume Parser. 2. Manually. 3. Prompt to AI. Now, let's create a resume manually. Enter your basic details, including personal information, job title, and professional summary. Click Next to choose an ATS-approved template. Select your template to access the AI-powered Resume Builder. Inside the AI Pro Resume Builder, every change you make is reflected instantly through the real-time preview. Start by opening the Settings button. Here, you can control which details appear on your resume, easily show or hide sections as needed. From the left panel, you can access all essential resume building features. Let's begin with Add Section. You'll find all key sections such as education, experience, skills, and many more. To add the education section, simply click on it, and it will appear instantly on your resume. You can enhance your content using built-in tools and add timelines by selecting a start and end date. Once complete, click Save to apply your changes. To add another education entry, use the plus icon. You can also arrange and delete entries anytime with a single click. Now, let's add your work experience. Enter your job title, company name, and location. For the job description, you can write it manually or use our AI assistant. Select your experience level, and the AI assistant generates unique, role-specific descriptions tailored to your profile. You can add a single description or multiple points by simply clicking the tick icon next to each suggestion. Set your job duration by choosing a start and end date, or select present if this is your current role. Save your entry, and see your experience instantly reflected in the real-time preview. In AI Pro Resume, skills are categorized into 2 types: technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills reflect your professional and job-related expertise. To add technical skills, click on the Technical Skills section. You can enter skills manually or select suggestions from our AI assistant. Based on your job title and experience level, the AI recommends relevant technical skills. Next, add your soft skills, the personal strengths that define how you work and collaborate. Soft skills are added manually because they are best defined by you. Once added, all skills appear instantly in the real-time preview. Now, let's add our languages. Select a language section and enter the language name. Set your proficiency level using the percentage bar. A lower percentage represents basic proficiency, while a higher percentage reflects advanced fluency. You can add multiple languages to your resume. Easily rearrange languages or delete any entry with a single click. All changes are reflected instantly in the real-time preview. Once all your details are added, you can easily switch templates at any time. Choose any template from our library. All templates are professional and unique. When you select a new template, all your data is automatically transferred and adjusted to the new layout. Next, open the Design and Font section. Here, you can apply different color themes to match your personal or professional style. You can also choose your preferred font family and manage font sizes across your resume. With full design control and ATS compliance, your resume stays professional and recruiter-ready. If you want to check spelling and grammar, this next section is designed for exactly that. It helps identify any spelling or grammatical issues, ensuring your resume remains clear and professional. In the AI Assistant section, you can directly interact with our powerful AI model. You can generate multiple summaries, job descriptions, and other resume content. Each result is unique, humanized, and professionally written. Finally, use the Rearrange section to organize your resume exactly the way you want. Reorder sections easily, place experience above education, or customize the layout to match your career level. You can preview your resume in full focus at any time. Review every detail clearly before finalizing. Once ready, download your resume instantly in PDF format. You can also share your resume globally, making it accessible to recruiters and employers worldwide. This is your dashboard. The dashboard is available only after registration, giving you full access to your account and features. Here, you can review your remaining tries for each service. You can access all your created documents, including every resume and cover letter you've built. From the dashboard, you can also review the services you've unlocked, along with your orders and transaction history. You can access your profile from here, view your profile and subscription details, or edit your information using the Edit Profile option. Update your details and save changes instantly. The dashboard keeps everything organized, transparent, and easy to manage. AI Pro Resume also offers an AI-powered ATS checker. Simply upload your resume, and our ATS checker extracts all key details automatically. It analyzes your resume and identifies issues across multiple areas. Issues are detected in formatting, clarity, grammar, relevance, and conciseness. Based on these findings, the system calculates an overall ATS score. The ATS checker also provides actionable improvement suggestions. You can fix these issues directly in the AI Pro Resume Builder, ensuring your resume meets ATS standards. Now, let's create a resume using the AI Resume Parser. Click on Import Resume and upload your existing resume. Our AI-powered parser extracts all your details accurately and efficiently. Next, choose a template from our ATS-approved template library. And just like that, your resume is ready. It's that fast. You can easily edit, update, and optimize every section inside the AI-powered builder. AI Resume Generator. Create your resume with just a simple prompt. Type one line, choose your template, and let our AI do the rest. In seconds, you'll get a professional ATS-optimized resume, fully customizable inside our powerful builder. Today, you've seen how building a resume is no longer a challenge when the right technology is in your hands. AI Pro Resume helps you create, optimize, and perfect your resume with AI-powered tools and ATS-ready standards. AI Pro Resume. Get noticed. Get hired.